What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. We're here on the back roads of Mexico to see what Daniel's APR Stage 2 E85 tuned RS3 can do in terms of 100 to 200 kilometer an hour time, as well as a 60 to 130 mile per hour time. The reason why we're doing that is because we want to see if we can make the car go a little quicker. When we were at the track last video, we figured that the Aero Kit and the old tires on the car were probably slowing it down. So what we're going to do today is remove that Aero Kit. We're going to get you two back-to-back runs as the car sits right now with a full diffuser, splitter, and side skirts installed from Flow Designs. Then we're gonna go back to Rider Performance and take it all off, and then come back and do another back-to-back run with the car. We're going to find out if we can see whether the car goes any faster. Now, we won't be able to do this testing perfectly because the temperature and the density altitude is going to get higher when we come back. So there's going to be a bit of a disadvantage with the kit not installed. But if this does work and the car still goes faster in the hotter weather, we could pretty much say definitively that this kit is slowing it down. So the first thing we need to get to is back-to-back runs to see how fast this car is as it stands. Two back-to-back runs in the bag. Now to head back to Rider Performance, remove that Aero Kit, and get back out here as soon as humanly possible for another set of runs to see if removing the Aero Kit makes this car any faster. There we go, guys. The entire Aero Kit has been removed. Less weight, less drag. Time to see if it makes any difference. We've made our way back out to Mexico. It is 6 degrees warmer now, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and we have a DA of 1,000, which makes it, I think my math correct, 360 DA higher. Time to find out if this car goes any quicker, a little less weight, no drag because there's no aero on the car, but it's a little warmer. Let's see how we do. There we have it, guys. 4 runs by Daniel in this beast of an RS3. How much quicker did we go, or did we go any quicker at all? It's time to find out. I have the results. Daniel used a draggy and he sent me the screenshots of his runs. The first run, 100 to 200 kilometers an hour, this is with the Aero Kit installed, was 7.34 seconds. DA was quite low and the temperature was low. Got a bit warmer, a couple hours later, and the car went quicker. 7.27 100 to 200 kilometers an hour. So to me, that's a definitive yes. The car went faster because it's hotter out. So you'd think the car would go slower, but a little bit less weight, looks better in my opinion, and less drag, and the car went quicker. And now time for the 60 to 130. I know a lot of you Americans like watching these videos, so I have not forgotten about you. The first result from his first 2 runs, the quickest that he went, was an 8.61. Again, that's in cooler weather, a lower DA, and with the Aero Kit installed. Tore it all off, came back out in hotter weather with a higher temperature, and he dropped almost a full 1/10 down to 8.52. So there you have it, guys. Pretty compelling evidence, I'd say. The car went quicker in hotter weather with no Aero Kit installed. Whether it was the weight that came into play or the drag caused by it, we're not sure. but the reason we did this video is to see if it would make a difference, and I can actually say now that it did. Pretty cool stuff. Thank you again to Daniel for the usage of his car. We're gonna still have a lot of fun with it on the channel while my RS3 is being repaired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, take care.